Howdy, it's Chris with Paragon Inspection. Some folks have the misconception that being close to downtown or being in more of an urban area that there's less likelihood of a home being infested with termites. That's just not the case. Today we're inspecting a home in Houston here inside the 610 loop, and it's about a 20-year-old condo, 3-story condo. And this particular garage here, you'll look right there on the face of the slab. You can see those two are inactive right now, but they are termite mud tubes. And looking up in this wall, you can also see some past and painted over termite damage. So I'm gonna recommend to this client that they check with the sellers and see what treatment, if any, was done, any warranties that may transfer with that, any information on potential termite damage. This particular client elected not to have a termite inspection. However, we did come across these signs, and we are still going to report them to this guy so that he can make an educated decision on how to move forward with this purchase. So always get a termite inspection, and when you need an inspection, always call Paragon. We're here to help. Have a great day.